Welcome back to K-Trips, the Kansas Truck Routing and Intelligent Permitting System, user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through setting axle weights and groups. Axle groups are an important part of determining if the vehicle complies with the Federal Bridge Table. Please note the axle groups represent how the vehicle is configured. Misrepresentation of vehicle axle configuration is an enforcement action. I'm going to start on the Truck and Load Information screen. Click the Enter Weights button. The Set Axle Weight screen will be displayed. Enter the total number of axles for the vehicle in the number of axle field. Enter the spacing for each axle in feet and inches in the spacing column for the respective axle number. Please note that axle spacing is based on the measurements from the center of the axles. In the weight column, enter the weight in pounds for each axle in the corresponding axle number column. Group settings indicate the various groups of axles as visually observed on the vehicle. Therefore, your steering axle is a different group than your drive axle. Trailer, Jeep, or pin-on axles each need to be noted separately and must meet Kansas specifications. If you utilize quad axle groups in Kansas and the overall axle spacing is greater than 12 foot 6 inches, information must be entered as two tandem axle groups. Select the appropriate group number from the group drop-down for each axle. For mobile equipment clients that can make use of the variations in weight allowance depending on axle type, select the axle type checkbox. Select steerable, fixed, or drive axles from the steer column. Once all information is entered and checked for accuracy, you can view the configuration based on the information entered by clicking the Display Configuration button. The axle configuration may be viewed by either side or top view. Select the Side Radio button and click the Display Configuration button to view the configuration from a side view. Select the Top Radio button and click the Display Configuration button to view the configuration from a bird's eye view. Clicking the Cancel button will clear and reset all axle information entered. After all information is entered and accurate, click the Validate Weights and Close button. This will bring you back to the order permit process to continue the application. This concludes the K-Trips user tutorial video on how to set axle weights and groups. Don't forget, more videos are available for your convenience.